moving this coil, it is going to change the natural the amplitude of the signal. So you can see, as well as the frequency also changes. So right now I moved the coil a bit up and down, so the values are also changing. As the amplitude of this spark changes, it is directly visible over here. Again I am going to reset this, then you can see. So the arc size is also increasing. I am moving this. The arc size is also increasing and the reading here is also increasing. So it's corresponding to the same arc. So right now if I stop this and that's I remove the power, then you can see it's gone. So it's of the same thing.